Hey guys, how you guys doing? Albert here, and as you can see by the video's title, I got a new camera, and I'm very excited to finally own this. It's a 5D Mark IV. I got this right on release date, and I'm very excited. But as I've been trying to mess around with this camera, I wanted to make a video after I use it, test out, kind of like a review, not a review, I don't like reviews, but just kind of like my thoughts on it. And as I've been using it, I noticed I've been having some issues with the video format. Now, every time I record in 1080p at 60 frames, my videos are extremely choppy. They're not clear. I mean, they're clear, but they're not smooth. And at first, I thought maybe it was an issue with my card, the speed. Now, what I normally run on this card, I have a 64 gig. It's a SanDisk Extreme Pro, 95 speed. And I figured that should have been enough, for what I'm trying to do. At first, I thought maybe the card was slow, because even the 4K video was even worse. Like the choppiness of that was just ridiculous. It was like worse than a slideshow. So what I did is I went ahead and I bought this Extreme Pro, same thing, 64 gig, but a 280 speed. Now, it was my mistake for not doing the research. I mean, this camera is new, but still, for some reason, this camera does not support UHS 2 card. So the speed on this card was actually slower than what I originally had. So that was kind of a fail there. But I've been testing it out, and I just get really choppy video. I will add a sample of the video that I get from this camera to this video. So I guess I'm just making this video to see if anybody else has had this issue. When I record like in 24 or 30 frames or whatever, it's actually smooth. The video plays as it should. So it's just having an issue with the 60 frames. And I did try out another card that was a little bit slower, and I had the same result. So at this point, I don't think it's the card. I kind of have a feeling that it's my camera that's having issues, and hopefully that's not the case, because then I'd have to go through the trouble of returning it or whatever. So I'm trying to figure out, trying to troubleshoot it and get these issues resolved before I say, hey, the camera's not working. But I don't know. So I guess I'm making this video to see if anybody else is having the same issues with the video. And hopefully I don't have a defective camera. Everything else has been working perfectly fine. So far I'm loving the camera, but I've just noticed that little issue. So I will put a sample in this video of the 4K, the atrocious 4K, if it even will play. But if not, maybe I'll see if I could screen cap the way it plays on my computer, which is really bad. But anyway, I also recorded a unboxing video. Now, the unboxing video was very sloppy, I guess. I was too excited, so I did it during my lunch break. So it's in the car, and it's just very, just crazy. But I'll upload that later. So anyway, that's that for the camera. So far, I'm still testing out all the features and trying to compare. But I'm very happy with it, except for this little issue with the video. So let me know, guys, if you guys bought this camera, let me know if you're having that same issue, and hopefully I could fix it or get another one. So anyway, thanks for watching, and you guys, sorry. Alright guys, so here is a sample video of the 1080p at 60 frames a second. So I'm sure you'll not be able to hear me, and you'll see how choppy it is. And here is the horrible 4K video. So I'll just do a quick sample size.